Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So you have generated an incredible video with Gemini or Veil, but that persistent diamond watermark is ruining the pro look. Whether you are using it for client projects, social media, or just want a clean copy for your portfolio, removing that watermark is more than essential. So here is the good news. Unlike AI in painting tools that guess what's behind the watermark and often get it wrong, these video watermark removers use a mathematically precise reverse alpha blending algorithm. They literally reconstruct the original pixels that were underneath the watermark, resulting in a clean, artifact-free restoration. So in this guide, I will show you exactly how to remove Gemini video watermarks using both the simple web tool and the more powerful command line utility. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. For the easiest one, we're gonna go and look for the online video watermark remover. The quickest way is to use the web-based tool at geminiwatermarkremover.io video. Open the page, drag and drop your Gemini generated video, for example in MP4, onto the upload area, and the tool will automatically detect and remove the watermark from the video. Once processing is complete, download your cleaned video. Everything runs locally in your browser, so nothing to worry about. Anyway, as for now, we're gonna go and look for the Gemini Watermark tool or CLI. It's more powerful for batch processing or more control. Use the Gemini Watermark tool command line utility you can download for your operating system if it's Windows, Linux, macOS from the GitHub releases page. And that's your idea. Thank you all for watching this. See you all in the next video.